me.
Wearing his glasses.
Like Ralphie from Christmas Story.
Make sure you hit something.
Hey.
Dang, that shot, Turkey Man.
Aw. Did I get it?
Going for the orange?
Stop it. How many were?
You're supposed to be counting.
How many are there?
What?
Up a little.
Trying to get a good shot, man.
Done.
Alright,
How does that thing shoot?
cool. Nice job.